Hey everyone, our team name is SyncOps. Our problem statement is number 1724, titled Platform for Inter-departmental Cooperation at City Level, under the theme of Miscellaneous. Have you ever wondered why our city still face inefficiencies despite all the plannings? Like when a newly paved road is torn up just months later for utility work. Why did this happen and how can we fix it? In Indian cities, multiple authorities often operate independently, leading to miscooperations, delays, and wasted resources. The root cause: a lack of interdepartmental cooperation. Imagine the frustration. A department builds a road and shortly after, another digs in up for a pipeline. It's inefficient and a waste of public trust.
To solve this problem, we have developed a perfect solution, UrbanNet. Our project, UrbanNet, envisions a city where government departments are fully connected, sharing resources easily and making sure project runs smoothly. We have built a platform that simplifies data sharing, helps schedule tasks smoothly without any conflicts, and ensure team coordination when projects overlap, allowing departments to work together effortlessly. What makes UrbanNet different? Real-time network and smart planning. Imagine a live dashboard that shows every ongoing projects in the city. You can check what resources are available, schedule tasks, and even gather public feedback to improve planning. Our predictive analysis helps team avoid future problems. Now, my teammate Divyadashini will continue.
UrbanNet is built for simplicity and strength. We use Next.js for fast, responsive user interfaces with server-side rendering. RESTful APIs manage communication efficiently. AppWrite, our backend as a service, handles CRUD operations, authentication, and storage, ensuring secure, scalable data management. This setup keeps everything running smoothly and ready for growth. We have made sure UrbanNet is possible from all angles. It's technically scalable, financially sustainable, and easy for user to operate. We also have strategies in place to handle any risks, making it in a solution that any city can adopt. UrbanNet isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for how cities are run. It improves teamwork, better manages resources, and speeds up project completion. This platform saves money, ensure everything is done right, and makes city operations smoother, improving life for everyone. Now let's see it in action. The Figma prototype will be explained by our teammate Arjun.
I am Arjun. Welcome to UrbanNet, a platform built for interdepartmental cooperation in Indian cities. New users can register to create an account. Existing users simply log in to access the platform. For example, if you are within the Department of Public Works, you can navigate through the project, task, resources, discussion forum, training, and dashboard pages respectively. In the project tab, you can create and view new projects. The task section allows you to create tasks or view the ones that is assigned to you. The resource tab lets you to request resources from other departments and approve resource requests seamlessly. In the discussion forum, teams can collaborate interactively both within and across the departments. The training section displays all the upcoming sessions. Simply click join to participate. Our unique dashboard provides real-time data analytics, tracking project process, resource usage, and issue resolution, giving you a complete overview of the project's performance. If you need any assistance, the help button provides a menu-driven chatbot that addresses your frequently asked questions. This is UrbanNet, your complete solution for interdepartmental cooperation in Indian cities. Now, my teammate Vedavishnu will explain the initial implementation.
Welcome to our project. Today, we are excited to give you a walkthrough of our live website, which is currently under development. First, let's start the project by running npm run dev, which will launch our website. Now, let us head over to the localhost to see it live. Here we are on the login page. Since we are a new user, let us go ahead and navigate to the sign up page. To create our new account, on the sign up page, you will need to fill in the basic details like your name, email address, set up a password for the record, etc. Once you have entered this information, click submit to finish the initial sign up process. Next, we will redirect to the registration page. This is more detailed form. Now you will input extra information like your phone number, department, designation, role, address, etc. within the system. You will also have an option to upload a verification document and the ID number for that verification document. Let us go ahead and complete this form. By filling that all the necessary field, once that is done, click submit to finalize your registration. Now we have successfully registered our account. Let us take a look at the backend to confirm that authentication has been enabled. You can see that our new user Vedavishnu has been created with all details like email ID, user ID and phone number correctly stored in the database. With our registration completed, let us return to the login page where you will log in with our credentials. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. All our details have been securely stored and we are successfully logged in. This is the quick review of our website sign up and registration process.